I guess, quick intro. So we're sitting out there, we're looking at the field because we see the water, like we're watching the water. All of a sudden we see something. It's like, holy crap, that fog is moving fast. But guess what? All of a sudden it looks fucking brown. We look at the window, there's fire trucks, cops, and ambulances. So me and Grace right now, we're gonna take a trip and go see what the fuck's on fire. This would be interesting. Alright, so we got the bikes out now. That's way too small. I gotta fucking tighten his hand. They're doing something, I hear that. All I know is that the house we're going to, we know them. And they have an outdoor fudge.
Yeah, Colin.
Yeah.
You think Colin will be okay?
I can't get that motherfucker tightened. Alright, let's go. Put your stand up, we gotta go. Alright. And of course, it has to be fucking raining. Yeah, you gotta push back in the pedals. There she goes. It was that old house, the one that's sitting there. No, what? Push them up. Well, shit, that's what that was. Alright, let's go back.
Somebody is gonna hurt.
Well, that's pretty freaking interesting. There's an old abandoned house. Alright guys, so you guys already in this video have seen fire, which is still going on. And well, remember earlier how I said that we could see, oh my god, that water is fucking pouring out of there. Well, remember how earlier we said, yeah, we were looking at the water and we seen stuff like it was fog, but no, it was fire. I mean, not fire, whatever the hell it's called. Shut up. Oh my god, it's already flooded right through here. Alright, so through here is hardly any water, and back there's a brook with a little mini waterfall, and it is crazy looking. Like normally this time of year I would be doing this to look at the ice. You have muck boots on. Besides, it's actually really sturdy in here. Oh my god, dude. This is fucking crazy. Just right here is pretty deep, Grace. Can I step over that? Oh my god, dude. This is nice.
This is crazy looking. Let's hear about this. Oh, yes. Oh, hey, careful this black pipe right here. Because that's pipe for our water.
This is barbed wire. God damn it. Alright, we'll meet you guys when we're back at the river.
Can you guys hear that? That is crazy. Dude, I should get my boat and go in here. Oh my word. Dude, besides, when we go down here by our waterfall, you can see, down there's where we normally have our fort. But no, when we go down here and look at the waterfall, we'll be able to see the house that's on fire even better. And that is at the waterfall right there. Oh my god, dude. Oh, yeah, the waterfall. Where is it?
Oh, down there. Oh my god. And this is not what it normally looks like. I'll put a picture on screen right here. So that's what it looks like. Normally. This is not fucking normal.
Oh my god, it's like
Our waterfall's up further. Let's go up.
Oh, guys, we used to have a board so we could walk across it. And guess what? It is gone. I'll try to see the waterfall last ice on it. That'd be some really cool pictures. How can I get over to it? Oh, man, look it. Look, it got so full. It really...
It came over. You guys see that? Right there's the main water. Right there that is. It came over. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. This is bad shit crazy. Yeah, see, you can walk across the street. Nope, it's slippery as shit. Here, go. Grace, right here. Let's go.
Here we go. Oh yeah, so it's hard. Ow. Right here is our normal fort. Yeah, that board is like not existing right now. Oh no, I pulled it out.
By the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. All right, we meet you guys at the bridge. Guys, we're approaching on the bridge right now. Holy bejeebus. All right, we're gonna forget the bridge for a second. Let's look at this. Holy shit. Look at the water. It's all the way up here. Normally, the water is right in there-ish, not up here. This shit is so crazy, dude. All right, check out the bridge.
Oh my god. The bridge.
Holy shit.
You see the bridge?
The water is like touching the bottom of this shit. We're gonna see if now we're on the other side of the stream. We're gonna see if we can see the house better. All right, guys, we're approaching the waterfall.
Straight up crazy and madness in here. Let's continue on. There's a big raindrop falling right there. Yeah, we can follow deer trail right here. Oh, there's a mini waterfall. Can't see the house, but if you guys were here, you can fucking smell it, alright?
Look at that. It's a Dodge something. Oh, let's say on the back. Oh, it's a Bonneville. Not a Dodge. There's a fucking Bonneville.
Why do people litter that over here?
It's a goddamn Bonneville. That's so sweet.
Why do people litter?
Here she is. Ice right there. That's ice. This is so loud. Alright guys, we're walking by and I seen this. I just wanted to go in.
You're gonna go in?
No, I'm going down to it. This is fucking crazy. So right now we're going to check out mud pits. There's a mini one. Let's continue on up here. Normally at mud pits you get stuck fairly easy in them because the mud is so deep. That's when it's decently dry out. Now it's pouring fucking rain, everything's flooding. Let's see how that works out. It's my normal drive through. Oh god, you can already start seeing it. A lot of water going right through there. I just loaded up. Oh, dude, riding up here is so much fun. Grace, me and you have to do some dual vlogs this summer. You guys look out for them. Since we got 2 GoPros now. Well, we've had 2 GoPros. Except we really haven't dual vlogged because it's been cold. And actually, there's gonna be a new series coming out pretty soon. I'll be doing an announcement video about that. Here it is. Water is pouring right on through it. It's gonna be deep. Normally, it's like almost, it's a little over ankle deep most of the time.
I'm not even barely in it yet.
Exactly. It's over ankle deep with me most of the time, just in mud. Now there's water flowing through here. Wait until this starts drying out. It's not so wet and it's just all mud again. You guys see a kick-ass video. Look how deep that is. Like that. is deep as shit. That is like a good, I don't know, 7 inches deep. Like not just the water all the way down the. Yeah, I know. This shit is really deep from us just tearing through here. Alright, so GoPro kind of screwed up, which is kind of cool. Because, remember how I did that sticker unboxing, which you guys can check out right here? Remember how I got some stickers and proved they're not the same ones, so you have to wait 3 months in between getting stickers. GoPro for stickers. Like, I opened it up, and there they are. And to prove that I did not want these, go over here, which is kind of cool by me. Stickers. More of them. So this is sweet. GoPro screwed up. I did not want these by any means. But hey, guess what? I got extra GoPro stickers, which is sweet. Alright guys, what's going on? Chop Scratch here. Today, it's been one hell of a day. We got fire, natural disaster, which is the stream overflowing, and a little bit of dirt bike riding in. Right now, it's 10:30 at fucking night, and I was just watching a video, which I might do a react video to, because it is funny. Me and my sister were out playing some COD Black Ops 2, and we decided, dude, we're going to make some really funny videos on that. Right now, waiting for some water to boil, because I'm making pescado. You guys will find out why when you guys see a reaction video, which would be pretty freaking sweet. So yeah, today's been a pretty decent day. Alright guys, I legit think that my stove's gonna blow the fuck up. Like, listen. You hear that? Listen. I fuck around with metal. I know that shit's gonna blow up. Good news, food is done. Looks delicious. Bad news, stove is still making weird noise.